Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. In today's video, it's going to be all over the place, just like my personality is. Right now I'm in my home getting my bathroom clean before I go to work today, and then I will also be taking the tree down a little bit later, and then I'll take you on a field trip and show you what we did over the weekend.
'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to
I have to show you all this dust so nobody thinks I'm cleaning a clean house. Not that I really care that you think that, but it gets really dusty. I live in a dust bucket.
You don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be.
These floors definitely need to be regrouted, if that's even a word, because every time I sweep, there's so much grout that's broken up, and I just constantly sweep it up. We constantly walk on it. It's very annoying. If you have any tricks as to how I can regrout what's already there, let your girl know in the comments below.
In your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy.
Moving right along to downstairs. So my kids never finished decorating this tree, and I just decided I wanted to take it down. Today is December 26th when I'm taking it down, by the way. Typically I leave things up until the end of January, but yeah, the tree gotta go.
You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be.
So I'm not sure if you were listening to the words of this song or not, but it says, "There's a million ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like." How true is that statement? Let's break it down a little bit. You have a choice in life whether or not you want to be happy, sad, miserable, a mean girl, whatever the case may be. The energy that we have, we should be focusing on the good and not the bad, because whatever you put out in this world, you're definitely going to get back. So saying all of that to say, what exactly is it that your purpose is in life? What do you think your purpose is? What are you doing to fulfill that purpose? Start thinking of things that you can do in 2024 to fulfill the purpose that you know that you are desired to have in your life, and things will just fall into place. Yes, you're going to, go through some storms and some curveballs, but at the end of the day, just keep focused. Don't lose your focus, and you will get exactly what you need and be exactly where you need to be in your life at this moment. Along with realizing what your purpose is, the healing has to take place a lot of times first. It doesn't necessarily have to be in that order, but healing really, 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 really will set you free. Oh my goodness, if I could pass that on to anybody that I know, trust me when I tell you, healing will set you free from bondage. Healing sets you free from being a people pleaser. How many times have you been labeled a people pleaser? Or how many times have you thought to yourself, I just want to keep the peace. I'm not going to say anything. When you are healed, you're not going to allow people to treat you a certain type of way. And when they do, believe them the first time that they do it, so there doesn't have to be a second and a third time. There's a situation right now going on at my job where there is one specific girl who's a mean girl. And anytime she does it in my presence, I call it out, because at the end of the day, you're ruining my peace. You trying to infiltrate on my peace, and Kim don't do that, okay? So now she's to a point where she just doesn't even speak to me, which is fine because it's giving me my peace back. You feel me? So at the end of the day, I'm not even concerned. I don't even care. She's more upset than I am. And I hate to put my business out there like that in these YouTube streets, but I just want to let you know that you're not alone in people hating on you and people being rude and going through different types of situations and that sort of thing. We just have to realize that we have to handle it differently than we have in the past. Because again, you choose the way that your day is going to go by how you react to things. That's the power that you have.
I've got these parts of me and I've lost control. Running frantically with nowhere to go. Felt the pain, felt the shame, believing the lies that the enemy gave. But praying truth will come and live here to stay. Yeah.
So my nephew, who I am so proud of, runs a nonprofit that brings awareness to mental health in our youth, and I'm a part of it. It's called 614us. Right now we are setting up for Hotcakes with Santa. This was December 23rd. When I tell you that it was a great turnout, I believe it was like 85 kids who registered. We ended up cooking, and then the electricity was like having some issues, so we had to go outside in the rain and cook. So Kim was outside the whole time, okay?
So please don't make me hold my breath. Brave down.
It was at this very moment that I realized this food ain't cooking no more.
Down. I need you right now, so please don't make me hold my breath. Please don't make me hold my breath. Please don't make me hold my breath. Please don't make me hold my breath.
It's now Christmas Day. We had Christmas at my sister's house, and I decided I was just going to straighten up some things a little bit because you know how throughout the day things just keep getting messier and messier. I just wanted to try to help out as much as I possibly could. My nephew, he's one of the twins. He decided he wanted to help me. So we were kind of like tag teaming things. He was in the background doing things. So I'm going to just show you like how the kids helped out so much and how much they're just really, really good kids for real. I told you this video was going to be all over the place. Don't act like you didn't know. How are you guys doing? Let me know below in the comments. I decided that I wanted to watch The 100 again because I couldn't find anything else to watch. And my girl, Tiffany Nicole, she told me, you know what? Sometimes if I cannot find another series to watch, I just rewatch the series I was watching that I really enjoyed. Thanks, Tiffany. You know I love you, sugar.
Why are you so cute?
You gonna clean your shoes up?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Sunday in pouring rain, I felt kinda low. Is it all in vain? Then you hit me up and
Hi.
everything just turned again. For 1 or 2, maybe 3 years, I've been feeling nothing at all. But then I saw your face lighting up my space. Got me going like that, lighting up my space. You do like a candle in the dark. Ooh, getting warmer every time I'm with you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You don't care what other people think of you or say, but you so cool. You just spoiling with your love. Got no doubt that you are.
Notice how I impose on everybody's personal space to clean up something. I told you guys I love to harass my family. That's just something that I do.
My space, you do like a candle in the dark. Ooh, getting warmer every time I'm with you. Whoa, lighting up my space, you do like a candle in the dark. Ooh, getting warmer every time I'm with you.
Now, before I get to the bloopers of the video, thank you so much for being here. I hope you guys had an amazing time with your family, spending the holidays with them, whatever it is that you did. And be sure to go love on somebody who may not be as privileged as you to have family members to spend some time with.
Such a pretty girl. Left town, got a chance in LA. Now you a city girl. Now you wanna party, it's late. You stay over, never over. One more drinking till you're sober. You stay over, never over. One more drinking till you're sober. You said that I was. You had me love struck. That city life will make you go.
Hi, y'all. I'm gonna say
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Hi.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Karia, what do you have for Pawpaw? There's your present. That's the money Karia gave my dad for Christmas.
Had a lover boy, now you're on the other side of the